This is a point source of light. See,
Yes.
this is a point source of light. So when you are doing light reflex, you will use this type of torch. Okay? Take a photograph of this torch. You can get a photograph of this torch or this torch itself in your exam, and you may be asked what is this used for. Okay?
تورش
This one, this is torch. Okay. Now take a photograph of this instrument also. This is a manual perimeter.
Manual
That one is an automated perimeter. Okay? And these are used for testing field of vision.
لا لا ما انت يمكن في المستشفى ما عندك هذا دبر
والله اصل الحجر في المستشفى
صار حقك ما تقول عادي
كثير ما في
ما
السعوديه
تقول عادي صار
حسنت فيها
Okay?
مثل عندنا مشكله
Field of vision, perimeter. It's in your notes.
حق الموتور والسنسوري ويتكلم عن
And the practical is perimetry. Okay? Perimetry. It's in your notes, don't worry.
فيجوال
It's very easy.
كل شيء في النوت كل شيء.
Now, how do you do this?
حاول تمام
First, we'll discuss the.
Manual.
Now, you won't have to do this in your exam. Only you have to identify this, and it's very easy. There is a chart. Okay. This is marked. Let's say this is 30, 60, 90, and these are all separated. Okay, 0 degree and 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay. So what you do, you move this knob here. There is a knob here.
ترى ما
This one, and as you move this knob, you can see this white dot. This dot is moving. Okay. So you ask the patient to sit here in front of this equipment. These are the chin rests. When you are examining the left eye, the patient will put his or her chin on the right chin rest. Okay, and close the right eye. For example, you will sit like this. Close the right eye. Okay.
اوكي
Close the right eye, and the patient will look at the center. There is a hole in the center here. There is a hole in the center. For example, let's say.
وسام عرف
Okay, so we are examining his right eye. Look at this hole, and what I'll do, I'll move this dot. I'll look at his eye. As soon as you see this white dot, can you see this white dot? This one? Don't move your eyes, okay? Keep looking here.
ذكي والله ذكي.
Someone else, can someone else come?
قم بذا كرسي قم بذا كرسي طب قم بس
هي نفسها كذا مرتاح
Okay? As soon as you see this dot, just raise your hand. Okay? And I am moving this knob, so this is coming from the edge to the center.
خلاك عيونك مركزه كذا.
Can you see this?
لا ترفع يدك.
هو ماشي من
No, don't move your eyes.
روح يا وحش.
Can
شفتها.
you see this? Okay. So now he says that he can see this. So this is superior. In this chart, there is a paper in this chart, and you take readings from here. This is 31, 32, 33, and 34. At 34 degrees, you will make a cross. Then you will move it 30 degrees. 30 degrees you can move. You can see here it's marked at 10 degrees intervals. You can move 10 degrees. You can move 30 degrees. depending upon the paper, and then again you will take it to the edge and bring it towards the center. Then you will mark it again, then again and again and again. So you will have marks like this, and then you will connect it. So this is the field of vision for one eye, and then you will do for another eye, and then with other colors you will get it like this. Okay, for left eye, for right eye. Where you have overlap, this is binocular field of vision, and when there is no overlap, that is monocular field of vision. This is manual perimeter. Remember the name, remember the experiment. And why we do this? Because in some diseases, what happens? Field of vision is decreased. For example, in glaucoma or damage to the optic nerve, damage to optic ear, damage to optic tract. Okay, so you will have hemianopia. So you can do this perimetry and there will be loss of vision. Okay?
Doctor, this is exact astigmatism.
No, this is for field of vision. For astigmatism, you have that Snellen's chart. There is equipment like that. We don't have that here because, and that will not be asked in your exam also. That is a very simple chart. Okay. So this one is manual.
Electronic.
This one is electronic one.
انا بجرب
In electronic one, what you do? This is the control panel here.
عبد العزيز قد جاهز قرب.
Divide yourself into 2 or 3 groups, and you can come one at a time. And I am explaining this to you. Okay? Meanwhile, the other group, you can do other. This group, then this group.
له حرق من هنا.
هي عشان استجماتيزم.
كيف طريقة
انت تشوف الدم اذا غليت معك عينيك
إذا زغللت يعني
انت شايفه كده على بعض بتقربها لغايه يعني تخليها عندك
إذا ما زغللت
يبقى تجيب لك
اخر صوره اللي عندك اخر صوره
أنت مزغللت
يقول لي ما
بجيب لك
قريبه بعيده
قربة بس